Webinar is now streaming live on Facebook. On page.
Guys, you're live. Good evening.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning.
So you're live on the page. Now I'll share it on the group. So you can start, Jigna. In around 30 seconds, you can start off.
Okay. Fullest.
Okay? I'll just share the link. Manish, Energizers page पे तुझे दिख रहा है क्या? You able to see the video? Please एक बार check कर ले. Okay, you're on the page. You're on the group. Okay, start.
Hey guys. Good morning, and it's a beautiful Sunday morning. और मैं Sunday morning 11 o'clock को क्या कर रही हूँ? वैसे ऐसे सिचुएशन में Sunday क्या और Monday क्या, right? But the people who know me, hi, and be there till the end of this lovely show which we have started. And people who don't know me, I am Jigna Joshi, and I welcome you all to this talk show. And the beauty is आप घर का काम करते करते भी हमारा टॉक शो एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. So stay tuned and झाड़ू पोछा करते करते, बर्तन करते करते, whatever. So no excuses, and I'm going to introduce you to some amazing personality today. And before that, let me talk something about the Energizers. It's a Facebook community doing excellent, especially during these difficult times, arranging a lot of online events, and keeping people busy. And the best part is it is not only for adults, they have for kids as well. So do check out the page, and they have come up with the Sunday show. It is called the Energizers Talk, and so today it's our first episode, and let's see what all we have today. So let me also thank Energizer कि इस लॉकडाउन के समय में मुझे एटलीस्ट डेस्कटॉप होने का मौका मिला है. So thank you so much, and let's move ahead. We will be meeting two young and inspiring personalities today, and they are Ankit and Girish. So we will be talking about childhood cancer. So they have this beautiful NGO called Access Life, which is very interesting concept, and I would like people to know about it. And so let's not waste more time, and let's hear it from Ankit and Girish himself. So welcome Ankit and Girish to the show.
Good morning.
And पहले तो मैं जानना चाहूंगी आप दोनों के बारे में. So please share something about yourself, both of you.
Okay. Hi, good morning. First of all, thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to help. I mean, create awareness. I think it's a big deal for small NGOs like us. So आप लोग ने ये मौका दिया तो first of all I think we just want to thank you. And so tell us, what is it that you would want to know, so we can just shoot it out.
So Ankit, tell us something about yourself, like
Okay.
what are you into?
Okay.
And then about Access Life.
Okay, fine. So I am PR professional, and I have my own digital media consultancy. So I've been in PR for past 20 years, and I've been working with a lot of celebrities. We've been working in most of the entertainment sector, brand sector, and all that. and बस यार हम इतना ही.
Okay, how about Girish?
Hey, Jigna. First of all, thank you for having us on the show. Um, we are so used to talking about the cost, it's kind of difficult when you ask us to speak about ourselves. We literally have to think nowadays. But yeah, as far as my memory serves me right, I think I can say I've been mostly in the aviation field. Since I started my career, I have been working with airlines. I was with Ethiopian Airlines and then with Malaysian Airlines. That's been the major part of my career. And I have been in the field of finance. Um, Started um in a PR firm later on. When after I left aviation, I was in the PR firm, and it was in the PR firm that I met Ankit. That's where we sort of became friends, and we were sort of joined together by a photography bug. We both sort of wanted to get into photography. That's a different thing that Ankit used
Okay,
to.
so that's the
It's a different.
common thing between both of you.
Well, that's how I thought it started. And I used to go on photography trips with Ankit. It's a different thing that we ended up having more breakfast than actually clicking pictures because he is a foodie also. So सुबह निकलते तो थे लेकिन कहीं फोटोग्राफी नहीं होता था खाली हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट करके वापस आ जाते थे बट nonetheless I realized that कि हम लोग कुछ तो कॉमन है खा तो सकते हैं साथ में और फिर गलती से कहीं फोटोज भी निकल जाते
हाँ,
थे
टाइम मौका मिल गया तो फोटोग्राफी भी हो जाती थी.
करेक्ट
That's nice. So there are a lot of issues going around, okay, and people are actually doing a lot of good things as well. So the main motive is to share all this with people, right? So how you came up with the idea of childhood cancer? Why childhood cancer struck your mind? उसके बारे में बताइए.
Okay, Girish, would you like to?
इधर भी सर हम लोग दोनों स्टोरी एक ही बोलेंगे so you can go ahead.
Okay.
हाँ, एक ही स्टोरी होना चाहिए तो.
हाँ, एक story होना चाहिए, correct. So, we and Girish, like he said, we had one thing which was common, photography, and later on we realized that I think both of us had little bit that soft corner towards these kids, and especially ideas struck when one of our brands, they used to work with one of these NGOs, and वो क्या होता था, इवेंट होते थे उन लोग के, सो वहाँ पे पेशेंट्स ऐसे आते थे. Until then, we didn't have much of the clue, okay, nor even so much idea about how NGO functions or everything. But what happened was, doing these events with these NGOs, we realized कि यार ये NGO को promotion कम मिलता है. Since I was in PR, I realized that a lot of times there are brands who sometimes overuse certain NGOs and don't give a due credit. So we felt that we cannot go with fat checks or whatever, but like you said, we have certain hobbies, so we said we'll support you with photography. We can support with we had some media friends then, so we said we can invite them over and help push this specific NGO.
Okay.
So working with them, volunteering with them, which I think it has been now almost 14 years. We started going to hospitals and actually seeing like Tata Hospital, Wadia Hospital, और वहां पे जाके एक्चुअली बोलते हैं ना वो आंखें खुलने वाला हिसाब हुआ कि we never thought that kids would get cancer, but हाँ, क्योंकि अपना फीलिंग नॉर्मल जो भी होते हैं उनको वो लगता है कि यार नहीं ये तो सिगरेट पीता होगा तो हो गया या और कुछ करेगा तो हो गया.
Correct.
But then there is so much more to it. We were 14 years ago, we were also young enough to not know so many things. Not that everything would be Googled and Instagram and all that, but just going, visiting, and understanding from them, we realized that yes, childhood cancer exists and it exists on a big scale.
Okay.
So I think this was a result of so Access Life was a result of one of our volunteering tour we had gone for to
Okay.
support an hospital, and we saw a lot of kids taking their chemo and treatment and all that. So that's when that camera rakhe, we like saw that reality, and we said, boss, we have to do something. Like wavelength worked perfectly over there, and we connected with the MSW department, medical social workers and doctors, and we checked with them that how and what way we could support them. So that's where they told us that these kids are, at least they're getting treatment and there are people to support and all that, but there are very few places for, especially for kids, where they could stay in a hygienic place. So or as they end up going into some slum where there is no proper hygiene, or they could just be on the street. So most of the people, many times you see in and around hospitals, not that they are beggars or anybody, they are patients who just don't have any shelter to go to. So that's when that thing hit ki yaar, we'll have to look into that. But we had our own jobs, we had our small consultancy to take care of also. So
Okay.
every evening we would just finish our work and we said चलो हम लोग कुछ शुरू करते हैं, थोड़े थोड़े पैसे निकाल के we'll buy, we'll rent a place, a flat, and we can just give it out to some patients who can just stay there, and kids can finish their treatment.
Okay.
But soon to our realization, we realized कि it's not so easy how it thinks कि यार बोल दिया और मिल जाएगा. Because for somebody who individually wants a, or for a family, if you want a flat or a place, it's easy to get. But the moment you say कि NGO खोलना है,
हाँ.
there's always a thing कि अरे NGO है, क्या करेंगे, पैसा टाइम पे देंगे कि नहीं, साफ
That
रखेंगे
too,
कि नहीं,
cancer patients hai.
cancer patients हैं. So there were a lot of these myths which were going on, and even which we didn't know. So almost we took 9 months to
Oh.
fight our first center, and that was also, like we say that हमने जब hopes almost छोड़ दिए कि यार नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे जगह ही नहीं मिलेगी कभी, तभी एक स्ट्राइक हुआ. So we wanted to buy a play, rent a place in and around Tata Hospital, Sion Hospital, Vadia, because that's where the maximum kids come from.
Okay.
But like I said, in 9 months हम लोग वो टाटा हॉस्पिटल से थोड़े दूर करते हुए almost चेंबूर तक आ गए थे. And fortunately we had a good friend over there who put us onto this agent, and then in agent style he showed us a lot of places, and me and Girish almost joke around that we could have become an agent also at that time, क्योंकि हम लोग ने इतना जगह देख लिया था पूरे बॉम्बे में. So we knew all of that, but then वो love at first sight वाला चीज था. We saw this place, we loved it, but then when we had a larger challenge कि यार अब ये जगह लेनी है, फ्लैट से बंगलो रेंट करना, it's a big deal. Okay,
Right.
difference almost double triple हो जाता है,
Of course.
cost wise and everything. So I know, and then we had to go and meet landlord first कि पहले वो देंगे क्या जगह, moment we say NGO,
Right.
because now how agents are, right, they would say अरे sir बात हो गया, no problem, tension नहीं. But then so we went and met this landlord, and I mean he heard us and he just said yes, okay, go ahead. So I think that was like a हम लोग के लिए बड़ा ये हो गया कि नहीं यार, world is not as bad as what we end up thinking. So that's how the first house was this thing. Like I said,
Wow.
house was our rent thing also was very expensive to the calculation. Girish hates
Okay.
me saying this, but then he sold his flat, which he had invested.
Okay.
Sold it because he said we'll have to have a proper planning and financials, this thing, so that we don't get into the any trouble. So,
Right.
so I think that's how our journey started, at least by getting the house.
Okay.
I think the rest
And-
more Girish can add.
How did you decide on the name Access Life?
Well, that's a very it's a very interesting question. हम लोग ने सोचा था कि we will have a name which is sort of an acronym for something, So, when you're registering as a company, there is also this thing that you have to give out couple of options, because if the name is already registered, then you cannot take that. And the name initially, what we thought was something I don't even remember right now. I mean, this is a question you asked, but it was something accommodation, childhood, cancer, एजुकेशन, समथिंग शेल्टर, कुछ तो मतलब ऐसा कुछ बड़ा नाम हम लोग ने सोचा था. फिर हम बोला नाम बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा है, हम लोग को ही बोलने तकलीफ होगा. And then but we stuck to the access part of it, and then we thought, what are we sort of giving access to? We are giving access to a lot of facilities, which in turn sort of is we are trying to add more years to the life of these children. So it's
Right.
technically life. So that's how the whole Access Life came. It started off with something else, and it came out something else. It's a
Okay.
different thing that many people confuse us to be some part of Axis Bank. So the moment we say Axis Life, उन लोग बोलते हैं नहीं नहीं हमको लोन नहीं चाहिए.
Okay, great. So I'm sure when we are thinking of something like this, दिक्कतें आती हैं. So what challenges you faced at that time? I think it's been 6 years now, right? So and initially, what all you faced, and now what are your challenges?
I can tell you the initial challenge that we faced the day that we started. Uh, 14th of June, that was the day when we started, 2014. Now imagine the shelter is done, the units are done, everything is there, and here are two guys, who have just sort of, started an NGO out of passion. We had no experience, to be honest. We just thought कि करना है, वो कर दिया, वो बना दिया, सब कुछ हो गया. The first day, 4 families walk in, and that's when sort of it sunk in the reality of the whole situation when we saw this 4 children coming with their parents, and we were like, wow, this is like real. And we could actually feel that pressure right there at that point, when we saw those families come in, and we are trying to settle them in. And ये इसके 2 दिन पहले मैं और अंकित हम लोग के लाइफ का फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग वी वेंट यूटेंसिल शॉपिंग बिकॉज वी थॉट किचन एक रेडी रखना है. We learned a name of a lot of utensils के इसको क्या
क्या
बोलते हैं, इसको
बोलते
क्या
हैं?
बोलते हैं. And we purchased all that, सब कुछ ready, set. The 4 families walk in on 14th of June, and the next thing we know, settle हो रहे हैं, and one of this father, he comes to us and he says कि हमको खेत में जाना है. We were like, खेत में, मतलब बॉम्बे में क्या खेत, खेत क्या करोगे आप? And then we suddenly realized he wants to use the washroom, and they're not used to the concept of washroom. Now, it might sound funny, but unfortunately, we are having families who come from such remote areas of India who do not even have access to basic washrooms. And so for them, the washroom is there, but they didn't know how to use it.
Okay.
And like हम लोग दोनों भी बोले अभी क्या करें, मतलब है वॉशरूम, अभी डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन कैसे दे हम लोग. Fortunately, YouTube is there, and it kind of saved our lives. We showed them couple of videos, but वो जो डर है, वो जो the challenge, we realized that it is manifold. It started with shelter. We realized इनको गैस चलाने को नहीं आता है, वो सिखाना पड़ेगा. इनको वॉशरूम यूज करने को नहीं आता है, वो भी बताना पड़ेगा. So the challenges kept mounting from day one itself.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो
And
सोचना था
from
उससे कहीं ज्यादा बेसिक से शुरू करना पड़ा आप लोगों को.
right. And from shelter से other facilities में हम लोग कैसे गए, I think वो अंकित बता सकता है.
So I would like to first share with people what all facilities we give to the patients.
Correct. So जैसे बच्चन साहब ने कहा था, रोटी कपड़ा मकान, आई थिंक इन लोगों की जरूरतें वहां पे ही हैं, ठीक है, बिकॉज ये अनजान शहर में दे जस्ट कम, ओके, and it is just that love for the child which gets them here, okay. From the smallest village to reaching out to district hospital where they find a awesome doctor who tells them that, boss, this is beyond me, you need to get some more tests done, and come to and go to cities like Bombay. We just admire them that they don't know a lot of things, but they just know that their child ke liye they'll do anything. So they just pick the child, take whatever saman they could, and they just come to Bombay. So many of the families, they have never even traveled out of their districts. So you can imagine them coming to a strange city like Bombay and doing that. So
Yeah.
so it is commendable, how what the love can be done. I mean, we end up seeing कि जितना दिखता है गांव में क्या love ये सब मालूम होगा, but then that's where you see and they certain times they get shock of their life when they hear that, okay, this is what has happened, and they don't know what to do. Okay, so they might feel कि अरे ठीक है अभी ये हफ्ता दवाई लेके हम चले जाएंगे गांव. They don't know whether it is going to take 6 months. That's another shock they get. कि अच्छा, parents when they come together, they have to be together for 6 months in the city, coming to hospital almost 3 days a week, ensuring the child is treated and this thing. So imagine ये तैयारी नहीं होती है, ठीक है? Back then they have more kids. Back then they have older parents. Back then a father has some work to do. खेत हैं जो भी है यार, तो वो उनको शॉक तभी पता चलता है. So for again a lot of people think कि hospitals and everything they are doing brilliant job now for the COVID. I think doctors and hospitals have been doing awesome work all around.
Yeah.
So it is it's just COVID may we are able to just see it more, but hats off to them. So where they counsel them, where they tell them that okay you manage, don't worry, we'll help you out and wherever. I think so that part everything happens at the hospital. Say support needed for medicine, for surgery, and everything that is done brilliantly. Bigger challenge is only moment they step out of that hospital. तब कहाँ जाएंगे? They come with a handful of money, thinking जेवर गिरवी रखा, बेचा, ट्रैक्टर था वो बेचा, जो भी करके, which gets like खत्म हो जाता है. क्योंकि जब तक उनका फाइल बने, कोई सपोर्ट आए, and it's a stranger city, right? So they उनको कई बार अच्छे लोग मिल जाते हैं कि टैक्सी वाला बोला कि यार आप ट्रीटमेंट के लिए चलो मैं भाड़ा नहीं लूंगा, बट कई बार वैसे भी लोग मिल जाते हैं कि अभी वो 200 रुपए होने तो 1000 रुपए ले लिया. And these guys are so vulnerable, they don't know. So that's where I think Access Life we realized that these challenges are there. So we said पहले हम लोग शेल्टर का जो कोर आइडिया था वो था, जैसे गिरीश ने बताया, फिर पता चला कि खाना किचन सब दे दिया है. We have utensils, cooker, everything, but they are not cooking because they don't have enough money to cook, right? जब हॉस्पिटल के आसपास होते हैं तो कोई संस्था या आके उनको खाना देती है तो उनको हो जाता है, but खुद से जब बनाना हो तो it's a challenging.
Correct.
So it was another thing which we said we have to start right away, where we started supporting them with food, so food grains and everything, because the child needs the proper nutrition to build his immunity and everything. We started supporting with all necessary nutrition, also dry fruits and ensuring fruits. So whenever guests would want to come earlier, we they would say we'll get chocolates. Now these kids undergoing treatment, chocolate is something it is to be avoided. Obviously all kids love chocolate. I mean our heart breaks, but then that fruit will help him more.
Correct.
So that's where the food support which came in. So shelter, food. Then I was saying that transportation, because उनको नहीं पता चलता था कि कैसे जाना है. For us it's a struggle. Imagine traveling in the peak hour
in a city like Bombay especially.
Yeah. So imagine traveling with a small baby or a child who's suffering from cancer. He becomes very prone to infection when he goes in the public transport or all that. And see again we say कि कोविड के लिए हम लोग आज मास्क पहन रहे, बच्चों को मास्क पहनना ही पड़ता था पहले से, because they catch infection so easily. So earlier we used to sit manually, book Ola, Uber and coordinate and everything. But then as we moved little further towards that second year, we had one of the kind supporter who said, "Chalo, हम लोग सब मिलके एक गाड़ी ये करते हैं." So
how
today,
nice.
Full transportation system where we have 5 vehicles and a bus which takes them to the hospital and back. So the transportation is also covered. Fourth important aspect is your mental stress, right?
Yes.
Idea ये नहीं है कि हमने सब दे दिया, चलो अभी आपका काम हो गया, हमने हमारा कर्तव्य कर दिया. No, these parents they are struggling lot of times because they are worried about see, mother constantly thinks, why my family, why my child? Father is thinking equally. हम लोग ने बोला कि नहीं, these people need to be spoken to, and they are not outspoken like us कि चल यार दो बैठे कॉफी पी ली, बात कर लिया, दिल हल्का हो गया. They have lot of this thing. They sit with lot of burden.
उनके लिए तो एक साइकोलॉजिकल ट्रॉमा होता होगा. When they realize कि उनको इतना लंबा यहाँ रहना पड़ेगा.
लंबा रहना है, माँ को फिक्र है. I mean there are mothers who have like newborn, but then they had to like leave because the older child has got cancer. So imagine mother staying without that baby who needs mother at the most time. Where will she go? And then see, and they come in only 3, right? So there is no this thing कि वो बच्चे को भी वो लोग खामखा यहाँ पे expose करें इसमें.
Right.
So then what we started doing is we have started counseling, because we realized that's a very crucial and important part. So these are the 4 important things. Then we realized कि इन लोग को यार हक है कि कभी mind free हो, कुछ अच्छा ये हो. So then we started अलग Access Life Arts in Ghana.
Oh
where
wow.
we started, you know, so कोई volunteer है, किसी ने बोला आपको गिटार आता है, अरे आ जाओ गिटार लेके, अच्छा आपको अंताक्षरी खेलना है, अंताक्षरी खेलो.
Oh,
So
okay.
we started doing these small events and activities. So you know, once in a month we would have a Sunday, और you know वो शुरू कर दिया. फिर fortunately टीवी, हम लोग को टीवी आया कहीं से, so एक एक चीजें, तो because see everything is important, and childhood cancer में जो बोलते हैं childhood cancer is curable. Every child you treat, you are adding 70 years of life.
Wow.
Okay. Why? Because their mental thing is very strong, right? I mean, you know, वो लोग जो सोचते हैं वो that is awesome. Because they get tricked, they'll cry. Okay. You know, 15 मिनट में वो भूल जाएंगे वो खेल रहे हैं. हम
Right.
लोग कई बार you know एक prick हो गया तो पूरे दिन अरे आज तो swollen है यार.
2 दिन तक बर्फ लगाते
That's
रहते हैं.
how you mentally tackle those things, right?
Right.
So that's what I think, you know, we learn from them. So these are the core areas where we, you know, support the families.
That's great. So बॉम्बे में हमारे कितने सेंटर्स हैं, कहाँ पे हैं?
Girish would just.
We have 6 centers, and वो 6 थोड़ा ये है, I'll tell you why that also. So we have 3 in Chembur, we have 1 in Bandra, 1 in Andheri, and we used to have 1 in Thane. Now, continuing to the question that you asked earlier, what were the challenges that you are facing currently? So one of the challenges right now is due to COVID, and unfortunately due to COVID, one of the fatalities of that is, you know, our center in Thane, we had to sort of close it down because, you know, what happens is our centers are usually in some kind of a residential area, or, you know, a part of a housing complex. And our children, they still have to go to the hospital, right? Because cancer is an ongoing process. They still have to go to the hospital. और अभी जब भी ये सब rules थे कि housing societies में nobody can step out, nobody can come in, and when you have our families still going to the hospital and coming back, so there was a overall fear. We do not sort of, you know, blame anybody for that, but वो fear everywhere था. I mean, it was happening in all residential complexes. So because of that, वहाँ का जो थाना का center है, we had to sort of, you know, close it down.
Okay.
Because we were not getting access sort of, you know, for daily hospital aana jana. So what we have done now is an independent structure which we have in Chembur, where we are occupying the first floor. We have taken up the ground floor. So जो 12 बच्चे वहाँ पे थाना में थे, so यहाँ पे 18 units बन रहे हैं. So not only we can accommodate the 12 who were there in Thane, but we can accommodate 6 more. So that will also increase our capacity from 57 to 63 children.
Okay. That's nice.
Yeah.
Great. Next, मुझे ये curiosity है जानने के लिए कि you guys are already working, right?
Yeah.
So how do you manage to do so much? क्योंकि अभी तो ये जैसे जैसे ये बढ़ता जाने वाला है your work, right?
Right.
So how do you manage everything?
Well, हम लोग दोनों का fortunate रहा है. I'll talk about my aspect, then I'll let Ankit talk about his.
Okay.
मैं हूँ travel में, as I was telling you, I was in the airline. There was a small stint in PR where when I met Ankit, and then I switched back to travel. So I have is a travel company, and I have a partner उसमें. So fortunately, because of him, his name is Vishu, you know, and he knows my passion towards the cause. So he kind of let me focus a lot of more time, energy, and resource towards Access Life.
Okay.
And over the period of time, and especially in the last 2 years, Ankit and me have been sort of focusing on having a proper team, a team who can, you know, sort of take on these responsibilities, give their 100%, and, you know, completely focus into it.
Okay.
Having said that, our focus is still here in the sense that, you know, we try to, even when before COVID, we used to make it a point that, you know, at least twice a week we are definitely there at the center, looking after everything, and rest of the time we are available on the phone, working through our laptops. Sometimes we are sitting at Access Life and doing our work also. So we've been managing the whole thing like that.
Great.
And the best part is our families have been sort of, you know, very supportive. So they have been very helpful, supportive. We have been able to adjust our time, share our time between work and family and everything, and kind of create a beautiful balance. Ankit, you want to say what you do and how you manage?
Yeah, Ankit, how you manage?
Yeah, I think it is exactly that thing. Work from home आज निकला है, हम लोग ने कुछ सालों पहले ही अडेप्ट कर चुके थे. So me and my team, we used to work out of coffee shops and work from home only. Uh, because as it is being in a creative field, we always had that independence to manage it. And जैसे बताया कि पहले ये चीज हम लोग सोचे थे पार्ट टाइम कर लेंगे, कोई टेंशन नहीं, हो जाएगा. Obviously फिर उल्टा हो गया कि जॉब पार्ट टाइम हो गया और ये फुल टाइम हो गया. बिकॉज आवर हार्ट्स यूज्ड टू बी देयर, वीकेंड भी होता था तो ऐसे लगता है चलो कोई मिलने आ रहा है, सबको दिखाएं, ये सब करें. बट
Okay.
अब आई थिंक नाउ ऑल thanks to our team, because we had to build a team, and we have a great team who supports us in managing these things.
That's
And
great.
yeah, absolutely hats off to them, because uh, we have a simple thing. We have a lot of things done by volunteers. We have a couple of things which are handled by our team, and both of them they do with equal passion. So आप कभी judge नहीं कर पाओगे यार ये volunteer है, ये आपके साथ है, क्या है. Everybody works like a family. I think that's the power of this and beauty of this thing. So
Wow.
Digna, I just wanted to check, I don't know how much time we have in hand, but we can go live at the center. While,
Yes.
you guys can quickly have a look, and we can keep
Yes.
talking in the background. So क्या होगा, you guys will at least get a face to what exactly हम लोग जो बोल रहे हैं कि
Right.
shelter क्या है, ये parents रहते
Yes,
कैसे.
of course. वो tour तो हमें करानी है. I have seen
हाँ.
the videos and
Yeah.
I loved it. So definitely we'll be showing everyone.
Whenever you say, we are
Yeah.
understanding.
Before that, I would like to know कि parents or kids all the time करते क्या, because see, visiting, as you said, 3 days a week जाना होता है. To
Depending
visit.
on the child, yeah.
Depending on the child. So rest of the time, how they spend their time overall.
Correct. Again, very important question and important solution needed. Because आज अगर आप पकड़ लो, आप हम लोग का अभी जो सिचुएशन चल रहा है ना कि कोविड है तो हम लोग बाहर नहीं निकल पा रहे, not that we can go to malls और यहाँ वहाँ. So this situation parents had to face whenever they were there at the center, because kid being prone to infection, not that he can just quickly go out and ये करके आए. So this engagement thought was already there. But then again, thanks to volunteers, we have so many volunteers who used to come to the center. So we used to take care of education aspect. We used to take care of art and craft. Okay.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Sometimes teaching mothers, we would have some nutritionist or cook who would come and teach them कि यार क्या खाना कैसे आप पौष्टिक बना सकते हो, अच्छा बना सकते हो. There were certain workshops for the fathers, and पूरे साल में we used to make 2 products also, which were like a super hit product. But this year we've been like due to COVID we've been badly affected उसमें. So we used to make rakhi, which our parents used to make. So we used to get all the material and they used to make it. So
Wow.
idea ये होता था कि उनका टाइम भी जाता था जैसे आपने बताया, और दूसरा वो एक स्किल सीखते थे. So whenever they are going back, and if they had to like do something, it's a skill they have where they can at least for that few months they can make it, sell it, and earn something for their livelihood.
Okay.
दूसरा we used to do diya making, because diya हम लोग के they were like super hit thing.
Okay.
And volunteers would there were certain volunteers who help us design it, then they would come and teach how to make it. So ये सब करते करते उनका टाइम का हम लोग वो बहुत ध्यान रखते थे.
अच्छा.
The third and fourth, the most important thing is we used to focus on their health.
Okay.
So we would have yoga, we would have meditation for them. So
Okay.
then they're doing that. So idea ये नहीं है कि सब focus patient पे रहे. Generally हर बीमारी में ये होता है कि हर बंदा patient की तरफ देखता है.
हाँ.
But sometimes it could be the caregiver who's going through more stress.
True.
And
True.
he
Very
can't even complain कि यार फिर कोई बोलेगा अरे तुमको
हाँ.
क्या बीमारी है, तुमको तो सिर्फ ये करना है. But sometimes they are the one who are going through a lot. So
True.
and we figured that out. It is not something कि मैं और गिरीश को सब पता था, but we were watching, observing all these things, and then all those introducing these programs and thoughts and activities, they got into place. And like I was saying, volunteers खुद आके कई बार जब when they spend time, they used to figure out कि अच्छा आपको क्या help चाहिए, चलो अच्छा कुछ बच्चे को डांस में इंटरेस्ट है, चलो मैं डांस सिखाता हूँ. कोई आके बोला कि अच्छा सिंगिंग में अच्छा है इसका, चलो सिंगिंग सिखाता हूँ. So then we always let volunteers decide what to do. So I think these are the ways we've always kept them engaged, and उनका टाइम भी अच्छा जाता था.
So people watching us right now, or maybe later watching this video, if you want to contribute in this way, you can just get in touch and volunteer and spend time with these lovely kids. Next, I would like to, as a layman, as a common man, सबको इतना knowledge नहीं होता है. अब cancer है, but then you are focusing on only childhood cancer, right? So as a layman, as a society, हमें कैसे treat करना चाहिए या हमें क्या दिमाग में ध्यान रखना चाहिए या क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं? What you would like to suggest to the people watching?
I think I will quote some examples, of what Ankit was saying initially about when we were going out there meeting people, especially when we wanted to take up a place and open a center. So one of the very common feedbacks that we have seen from people is that, they look at children having cancer and somehow they have this misconception that, childhood cancer is also something which is contagious. Um, it is a misconception. We thought, there is this whole thing. There are these myths about HIV and everything, but even cancer has the same kind of issues. People don't voice it that much, but they kind of think that if you are in the vicinity of people who are having cancer, so then there is a possibility that you can get impacted, which is completely false. These are children. They most of these guys, they see these children wearing masks. Our children have been wearing masks, right from the start. So it's not COVID related. It's just that they have to wear the mask because their own immunity level is so low.
Right.
They have a higher chance of infection coming from people like us. So a common cold, which we could have, a fever, anything, a viral, they are most likely to get impacted, and that is the reason that they wear a mask. So there are a lot of misconceptions amongst people about children. We have been kind of denied giving places because of the very same reason. People think that our children can possibly cause or spread cancer to other children, which I think is something which we would really like people to understand that is not the case.
Okay. So it is not contagious, guys. So please वो निकाल दीजिए दिमाग में से. And
Please.
Ankit, you would like to add something to this?
So I think people have to just become open towards NGOs. Okay. And don't think as an NGO, but think you are helping yourself. So हम लोगों को बोलते हैं कि आप किसकी मदद कर रहे हो वो मत सोचो, वो करने से आपको क्या मिलेगा वो जानना बहुत जरूरी है. And it is always about what is it that you will this thing. So our thing is you learn so much out of it. Okay, it is the other way around where people end up teaching you so many things कि यार इतना मुश्किल है लेकिन फिर भी हम लोग डट के खड़े हैं.
Right.
हाँ ठीक है, हम लोग आज ट्रैवलिंग हो रहा है, शाम को दीदी के घर पे बोरीवली जाना है. Oh my God, कितना स्ट्रेस, ट्रैफिक, ये वो. These guys don't think all these things. Okay, so they teach us कि यार सोचो मत, क्या है, करना है ना, करना है. So these things are important. Obviously, if they knew more planning, they would have done it more better, but they don't. So that is where people are like us are needed, right, to support. And there is one more thing which I would like to say about us, because when we started off, and there were a lot of friends we had on Facebook, Instagram, and all that, and they would tell us कि अंकित गिरीश तुम लोग NGO चालू किया. बोला हाँ, कल तो तू रात को पार्टी कर रहा था. बोला हाँ, तो there's a misconception that if you are NGO तो मेरे को मतलब
you have to wear a kurta pajama.
Oh yeah, sorry, yeah. So
and a shoulder bag.
Correct, but see that's a it's a traditional. Now when you go to younger generation, okay, in fact they have more clue about how NGO functions and why you have to do good. I think COVID mein people have proven that, where how many people have despite of whatever challenges they have been trying to support each other, right? Like we know in the building that there were these youngsters from the college who've told all senior citizens ko they will help with carrying all the unko kuch zarurat hai chahiye to. So people are still stuck there that okay अगर आप NGOs में कुछ कर रहे हो तो वो cool नहीं रहेगा. So boss, NGOs are cool. I mean you go come and meet our kids. They are cool. They make you feel cool. what is cool? Basically, what you do is what you enjoy, right?
Right.
वही करना है लोगों को कि आपको जो करे और आपको उसमें आपको संतुष्टि मिले कि यार चल आज मैंने कुछ सेवा किया ऐसा लगा.
Correct. Correct.
I think that's the feeling which we initially got, and which that is the feeling which we have been giving to all our supporters also. कि
Right.
this is for the people, by the people. So it's not something कि यार हम लोग हैं बहुत बॉस ऐसा नहीं चलेगा वैसे नहीं चलेगा. आपके पास आइडियाज हैं, आपके पास थॉट्स हैं, प्लीज कम अप एंड टेल अस, टॉक
Right.
अबाउट. So that's how I think me and Girish we feel कि ऐसा ही होना चाहिए हर एनजीओ, and people
Yes.
should be open to check. अगर आपको कुछ आ जाता है, पैसे चाहिए सर, हेल्प कर दो, बच्चा है, don't just end up signing a check or transferring money. Find out, पूछो, figure it out, see the NGO, try to find. अभी कोविड है तो भी बहुत सारे तरीके हैं, जैसे हम लोग ने एक तरीका निकाला. It will help you understand and gain your more knowledge. Probably if you deciding कि चल मैं 100 रुपीज डोनेट करता हूँ, शायद देखने के बाद आपको इतना अच्छा लगे, आप उसको आप शायद अपना 100 रुपए दोगे, लेकिन आप अपने एक दोस्त से भी बात करोगे कि यार सुन, मैंने ये एक अच्छा एनजीओ मैंने खुद देखा है, तू भी उनको सपोर्ट कर.
Yes. Yes. So that makes a lot of difference when you personally see
Correct.
and.
Correct.
Okay. So what we'll do is we'll just take a tour of one of the centers.
All right. Okay.
Right. And chit chat bhi shuru rahegi. So you can just.
So I will just tell. So we have one of the fathers who is going to help us.
Wow.
Kavita, is he online? Hello.
Yeah, he's there.
Acha, he's there. Okay.
Wow.
So Manish, if you can spotlight on AL6, I'll just quickly show around and talk about it. Yeah. Kavita, who is there today?
Chandanji.
Chandanji, acha. So guys, Chandanji is one of the parent of the child who is staying with us. और वो आज हमको टूर दिखाने वाले हैं. चंदन जी.
हेलो सर.
नमस्कार. अरे आप अपना बताइए चेहरा. हाय, नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
हाँ, अच्छा, आज हम लोग के साथ ना, मतलब मेरे हिसाब से पूरा बॉम्बे जुड़ा हुआ है और जो देख रहे हैं सब लोग, तो हम लोग को फटाफट अपना सेंटर दिखाना है ना?
ठीक है, चलेगा.
ठीक है, चलिए तो हम लोग फटाफट दिखाते हैं. So I'll just quickly say that this is our latest center, which is in Bandra, close to National College.
Okay.
And Chandan ji, हम लोग वो play area बताते हैं बच्चों का, correct? So then, see, this is a standalone building, which is this ground floor, and then we have 2 floors above. So here we have 14 families who stay with us. This was a small parking lot. Again, we put certain things so बच्चे, they can play in the evening and unwind themselves. So this is, nobody parks car now here. We requested the society. So then this area also we get. So now we'll go first floor पे हम लोग जाते हैं. Again, see, we are not, this thing. We believe in all religions. So everybody is welcome, to come and be part of Access Life.
Lovely.
So now we are walking towards first floor. So we had taken this house and then we had to redo it because there was family of 5 staying earlier. But now we had to make provision कि हम लोग 14 family को रख सकें वैसे.
Wow.
So okay, so this is how we had to break walls and create more space. So what you're seeing are the family rooms here.
Okay.
Okay. Chandan ji, kitchen दिखाते हैं. हमेशा शुरुआत kitchen से. So like I was saying, we have a kitchen where what we've done is, this is the format which we have since our first center. So as you see, we have 7 chulas here and we have 14 families. So, between 2 families, we have 1 chula and a sink area.
Okay.
Here mothers, cook meal for their own families. So then, her mind is also occupied and she's not worrying constantly. Also, every mother knows कि उसके बच्चे को क्या अच्छा लगता है.
Right.
She can make according to his taste. Again, we give full ration support.
Okay.
And then we have a refrigerator. This refrigerator is especially to store milk and medicines. No stale food. ऊपर चले चंदन. No stale food is allowed because again, a lot of dietitians, nutritionists, they've told us. In fact, that's something even we need to learn, that cook fresh and eat that much. Don't put anything in the fridge and reheat and all that. So So they also learn कि अच्छा ठीक है, we have to cook
हाँ.
properly and eat that much.
We all need to learn that.
This is second floor. Again, downstairs we have 7 units. Here we have 7 units where
Okay.
families stay. And each center, we also have, again, bathrooms are in equal proportion. So again,
Okay.
here, if we have 14 families, we've constructed, 5 more bathrooms.
Okay.
So, Chandan ji, एक bathroom बताते हैं. हाँ. See, if you look at the thing, जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि पहले जगह देखनी हो तो पहले उसका बाथरूम देखो तो तुमको पूरा जगह. So again, not that we get ever shocked, but again we teach this thing to parents. I'll show you how family stays. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you're talking about these families who are technically end up on the street or in the slum or wherever. This is the family room. Okay, this is their bedroom. So it's a bed where mother and child, they sleep on the bed. We give an extra mattress where father can put it down and he can also sleep, Shanti say. There is a separate store area for them to put medicines. There is a curtain for their privacy. There is a storage area and they come with suitcases. तो पूरा सामान ना बेड के नीचे भी रह जाता है.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lovely arrangements.
And then so अभी हम लोग चलते हैं last. So you saw kitchen, you saw play area नीचे, you saw the चंदन जी बाहर वो अपना डाइनिंग वाला एरिया बताइए. Now the passage area what you see ना इधर आगे, this is where this area is for them. अभी बहुत बारिश है तो यहाँ पे खेलेंगे, ये करेंगे. Again, every family can sit and have meal properly. So not
Right.
that we thought कि हम लोग ने और 5 patients को यहाँ पे accommodate किया. Idea is to give them environment which is little bit open and free and
Correct.
hygiene, hygienic.
Very neat and very
Yeah.
good. वो देख के बहुत अच्छे vibes आ रहे हैं मुझे ये जगह देख के.
Yes. I think Girish will talk about this area because office area शुरू हो रहा है.
सब रिक्रिएशन एरिया तू और ऑफिस मेरे लिए. So we have a small office area here where our
Okay.
volunteers and our team, they kind of use this area for any work. And this is the best area of the place
Yeah.
because this is where everybody is relaxing.
Wow.
This is where we have the TV room. This has an entire play area. This is concealed, so they can sit aram se. So
Wow.
Sunday morning, so I'm sure the TV must be on. Everybody is, yeah.
Yes.
And since we have children, so obviously all the Cartoon Networks you can see that.
Right.
We have an additional area on the right hand side, which is a dry area. So
Okay.
so we have washing machine there where they kind of wash their linens, and the clothes and everything they kind of are hung here to be dry. So this is beyond the curtain that side.
Very nice.
And when we have larger events, we just pull those curtains up so that entire area becomes like a activity area.
Okay. Lovely. So this is one of the center. So
Yeah. अब बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं? उनको just hi बोलने दो before we. So we have babies who are 9-month-old to we have kids who are 13.
Hey.
कोई किसी को कुछ मूड है गाने का ये करने का? Sometimes they are in mood. So and अच्छा जेनी आंटी को मिलाइए तब तक हम लोग जेनी आंटी को मिलते हैं.
Yes, Jenny auntie, please.
Yeah. Hi Jenny.
Hello, Jenny auntie.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Fine, thank you so much. Jenny auntie, I'll be visiting the center very soon.
Yeah, welcome, ma'am. Welcome.
Thank you.
for putting it up on the Facebook.
Oh, you are watching Facebook, Jenny? Oh, that's on the phone. Oh.
Oh,
Okay, Jenny. So now you are also on the live.
lovely.
So, okay, thank you, Jenny. So each center, we have like a dedicated driver. Now here we have a driver who stays 24/7. So in case there is an emergency, बच्चों को लेके जाना रहा, so they can do it. And again, Jenny auntie, we have a caretaker who takes care of the entire center. Ration agar baantna hua and ko kuch trouble aaya, any guidance needed. So this is our center. So if you have any more questions, okay, then he can exit and we can continue.
Yeah, lovely center, let me tell you. And इसको maintain करने के लिए भी hats off to both of you. So अभी center देखने के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि और दूसरे 4 से 5 centers है. So how you guys must be putting in so much effort to keep it the way it is.
Correct.
Lovely, hats off.
Okay, so we'll ask him. Kavita, he can exit. We are done, right?
Yeah. So tell me.
Chandan ji, thank you so much, Chandan ji.
Thank you, Chandan ji.
आप भी अपना चेहरा दिखा के एक बार हाय बोल दीजिए.
The kids want to say bye. The flowers.
Okay. Okay,
Bye,
chal,
ma'am.
bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Chandan ji.
So I'm sure जो लोग हमें देख रहे हैं उनके मन में बहुत विचार आ रहे होंगे कि भाई हम कैसे contribute कर सकते हैं इसमें. So what are different ways people can contribute and get in touch with you? That will be really helpful.
अंकित, तू मेरे लिए वेट कर रहा है?
मैं आप दोनों के लिए वेट कर रही हूँ.
They can get in touch with us. There is our number is 8080222377. We can be mailed at contact@accesslife.org. Our website is www.accesslife.org. And all our social medias have the same handle. It is Access Life India.
Okay.
So that's anybody can sort of.
वो हम बाद में भी share कर लेंगे गिरीश.
But idea of what they can do. They can just do stuff like thinking and telling कि अच्छा ठीक है NGO अच्छा लगा, we want to be part of it. They can plan and come and connect with us where they say कि okay अंकित चल मैं तेरे लिए awareness करना चाहता हूँ. कोई musician रहा, वो बोला कि यार मेरे को एक दिन सब families के लिए गाना गाना है, वो कर सकते हैं. So like I said, every volunteer can think and tell us where is it that they can support. Now obviously considering COVID and keeping COVID in mind, because centers are we are not allowing no visits and everything.
Okay.
So for their safety and obviously safety of a volunteer. So there are different ways to support. People have to just get that thing up. It's not just money. Even liking the page, sharing the page. Like Geetanjali has been saying, share this live. So I think, such things also are very important. So people have to know कि अच्छा यार एक childhood cancer का NGO है, childhood cancer exists. Those things, people have to start talking about. Because we've seen that, like you see breast cancer और ये सब चीजों कैसे पता चली? When people started going out and talking about it, right?
Correct.
So more people will talk about it, discuss. And see, cancer is something where any person, they say, where any person will at least have a family or a friend who's affected with cancer. एक बंदा तो आसपास होता ही है जो जिसको पता हो कि यार इसको हुआ था. So बच्चों का वैसे रेयर है और हम चाहते हैं कि वो रेयर ही रहे. But just to give you numbers, 3,000 kids only come to Tata. Okay. Every year for treatment. And 50,000 kids get detected with cancer in India, and these are registered ones. So you can imagine कि कितने बड़े numbers हैं. But there's always a good news to certain thing also, that अपने यहाँ almost we have like 500 kids who have come to us, got treated and gone back home, and we are so proud of that because amazing. Because for us कोई पूछेगा कि तुम्हारा ultimate क्या चाहिए, तुम लोग को क्या देखते हो, अगर कोई फैमिली आता है उनको कितना सपोर्ट वो देखते हो, कितना उन्होंने क्या किया देखते हो, नहीं, हम लोग वेट करते हैं कि वो बच्चा कब ट्रीटमेंट खत्म करके वो घर अपने लौट जाए. Right. So again those things become crucial. So I think that is what we work towards. So every time a child leaves, that's our happy day. Okay, that's nice. So
You gave how people can volunteer and how people can contribute. You told us. Last time we spoke, you shared some very good and creative ways of contributing towards this cause.
Correct.
You shared about a small boy who, for his birthday,
Oh yeah.
I would like you to share that.
Yeah. So this was a very cute kid. He was 10-year old, and he wanted to do something for birthday, and he had visited with Access Live with his mom, and then we have this thing where kids or anybody who wants to come and celebrate birthday, they generally come to our center and do it. But then this year, his birthday, which came in
COVID.
April, May, so he couldn't go out. Then he said, I still want to celebrate it and everything. We said we'll do calls and everything. Then imagine it was him who suggested that all my gifts have to go to them.
Wow.
So, then his father connected with us and he told that, if we can create a donation drive and give a link where, he can send it out to his friends and all that. So we did all that. I mean, I think bache, they just learn from parents and older ones.
True.
Right? So his parents have been like active volunteers, and I think just thought came. They themselves were so happy, and like, yaar, ye kahan se aaoge aise?
Right.
So I, like we said, ideas, thoughts, can be very open, and people can just come up and think, yaar, can I do this? We think if it is feasible, we are always more than happy to, as long as it supports or helps in creating some awareness.
Right. So also I would like you to share about the newspaper collection drive and how that boy supported.
Yeah. So again, this was a few months ago when we had a few, school kids. They got together and they chose कि चलो हमको support करना है, but our pocket worries won't make it to that thing. So then we just suggested them that घर में रद्दी होती है आजकल, ठीक है? अभी papers कम आ रहे हैं, लेकिन पहले normally people used to take them, right? So then we gave this idea that why don't you do the Raddi drive? Okay. So then what they do it was कि बहुत बड़ा society था उनका, थाना में एक society है, वहाँ पे did that thing with 3 and I think it worked brilliantly, and इतना brilliant हुआ कि वो लोग कुछ शौक हो गए थे, and वो लोग ने in fact मिलके then they supported one family for a month.
Okay.
So it was just a thing where they felt they did something, and we obviously issued certificates to the child, all the kids, because we believe that if they are contributing, we love doing that. They should be encouraged in a manner.
Correct.
So
Correct.
Thoughts also, but it led to कहीं का रद्दी किधर काम आ गया.
True. So guys, think of such creative ways, and it's very simple and a very nice way to contribute. So start using your brains towards it. हम इतने ज़्यादा बिजी हो जाते हैं अपनी लाइफ में कि हम शायद रियलाइज नहीं करते कि कुछ छोटी छोटी चीजें भी इतना ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकती है किसी और की लाइफ में. So people watching us, just start thinking about it. What all things we can do towards such kind of causes, right? We will be definitely sharing videos and links so that you can access the Access Live.
Yeah, right? It's a good way.
And as a start, at least start sharing the Facebook and Insta handles of Access Live, so at least people know about it, people are aware about it. One question, Ankit and Girish, just struck my mind. Ki, according to you, what is the cause of cancer, childhood cancer, especially?
We are not medical professions, but I can tell you there is no definite reason as one can quote as being a cause for childhood cancer.
Okay.
It can be genetic. It could be because of they say that it also could be because of the lifestyle of the parents, in terms of the kind of food or water we consume, the kind of area we live in. Some even blame it on the fertilizers or the pesticides now that are prevalent in our food and everything. But it is not like an adult cancer. It is not like where you're consuming, you're having cigarettes, so your lungs get affected, your drinking, so your liver gets affected, or
Right.
oral cancer because of any other substance. Uh, it's difficult to sort of pinpoint on a cause as to why it happens, because it's happening at such early years of a child's life. The child is not even kind of subjected to any of this harmful.
Correct.
So it's debatable. There is no definite cause as to, but there are a lot of suggestions that it could be due to food, water, and all those kind of aspects which might happen.
Okay. Okay. And how do you get in touch with such kids who are suffering? ये कहाँ से उनको पता लगता है या कहाँ से आप लोगों को पता लगता है इनके बारे में?
So what we do is we do not we have a very good system. What we have done is when we started before Access Life, the first thing what we did was we went to all the hospitals. We introduced ourselves. We let the medical social workers and the doctors know that we have a facility like this. We provide food, accommodation, transportation, and we are not charging a penny. So hospitals like Tata Memorial Hospital, they have something. They do a due diligence for the patients that come to us. In as per their due diligence, they have something called as an NC stamp. Now, NC means nominal charge. So the charges are very nominal for these kind of patients who do not have the means to pay for the chemotherapy and radiotherapy. And even if this nominal charge are somehow not being able to be met by these families, then the hospital itself puts them across to different trust and everything who can help them financially, and everything is taken care of. Now you can imagine there are these families who are not able to afford treatment, so they will not be able to afford accommodation as well.
Correct.
On an average, a family stays here for treatment for 4 to 6 months. So 4 to 6 months, if they were to stay at any ashram also, so they charge about bare minimum 100 rupees per day. And then you have to pay separately for the food. So we are still talking about 4 to 5,000 rupees expense on a monthly basis. If they have to stay for about 6 months, they end up spending somewhere between 30 to 40,000 rupees. And they don't have that kind of money. So this is where an organization like ours comes into the picture.
Okay.
We have let the medical social workers know that this is what we do, and every time they have a child, and it's a huge list, to be honest. The demand is huge, the supply is very less. So it's the other way around. Every time we have a bed empty, we call up the hospital, we tell them we have an empty bed, and then they will sort of suggest a child to us, in whichever child. And we are working with Tata, we are working with Sion, we are also working with Badia, Nair, all these hospitals. So whichever hospital sends a kid first, and then we have an induction program. We let them know what is supposed to be, how we have to stay. You spoke about the whole hygiene aspect and the cleanliness aspect, right? So that is something which we discuss with the families. We tell them that if they have to stay with us, they do not have to pay anything to us, but then they have to ensure that the place is kept really neat and clean, because hygiene is very important for these children. We
Okay.
also have very strict rules in terms of no smoking, no drinking. The food which is cooked in the kitchen is completely vegetarian. So as long as the family agrees to all these rules during the induction, then we accept the family, and they stay with us. And the medical social workers of the hospitals, they get in touch with us. So we do not go looking for the child, nor does any family come to us directly. It all happens through the network of the hospital, because they have already done the due diligence and it's all set. So they decide which child, comes and stays with us.
Okay. That's great. And so I would also request all the counselors who are watching us, do get in touch with this beautiful cause. I think आप लोगों को counselors की भी जरूरत पड़ती होगी, right?
Counselors, photographers, videographers, if you're good at making website, if you're
Photographers
good
तो आप
at,
दोनों हैं ना?
अरे हम लोग को टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है हम लोग ने शायद खुद का सेल्फी खींच के भी बहुत टाइम हो गया है
See,
अभी.
now it is a lockdown, so these are a lot of the challenging areas. But just wanted to add something. September next month is International Childhood Cancer Awareness Month. Okay, it's a very crucial month which is observed worldwide. And we and Girish, we feel so proud that our team, we started creating awareness about childhood cancer in India through lighting of CST station. So क्या होता है, there are a lot of these causes for which these monuments get lit in a specific color. जैसे breast cancer के लिए pink होता है. So similarly for like childhood cancer, golden ribbon represents childhood cancer. Okay, which not many people know. So
even I did not know.
So now you know.
Now
So,
I know.
and I'm sure everyone knows. So what we do is we take, we used to take permission and get that beautiful heritage site lit in a golden color. A lot of people ask us, "Kya wo to already golden lagta hai?" But then no, they have a special coding and programming which they do. And I mean, again, it was a shocker for us also that how beautifully people support such things. They do not charge anything, and they do the lighting for at least 2 days. So it's a beautiful sight. Now this year we don't know how many photographers would be able to go and see it for themselves. But we are still trying and hoping that कि ये साल भी ये हो जाए. But at least people should know those kind of things. So that's where people can come forward and suggest us ideas कि अच्छा golden lighting करना है, ठीक है, मेरा पास मेरा एक ये भी building unique है, इधर करो. So we've tried with Gateway of India. We've lit that up. We are we in fact have BMC headquarters also gets lit up in golden color, because see, it's a thing which is not just for Bombay. It's a India के लिए बड़ी चीज है ये, क्योंकि अगर हर देश में कुछ ना कुछ किया जा रहा है, so अपने देश में होना चाहिए. And then this is just a and lot of media supports us. In fact, I don't know if you have people who volunteers who know certain media people who would want to talk about our cause. Even that support matters.
Correct.
So, influencers, bloggers, everyone is just welcome, and they're welcome to see the tour and center first.
Okay. Yes, I'm sure people watching us will definitely get in touch with you in one or the other way. And lastly, हम सारे links वगैरह हम share करेंगे, the videos of the centers and kids and everyone, right after our live is over. What message you want to give to people?
Okay, I'd let Girish start. He's good in messages.
I have a very simple message. If someone like Ankit and me can, make a difference, and I think that, we, along with the entire team, is making a difference. So if we can do it, I guess anybody can do it. We are definitely not the special types. We are as average and as this thing as anybody can get. And it all started with the thought that, we thought we could do something. We did it, and we are doing it. And a lot of people joined along with us. And if there is a possibility, if there is a chance that you can make a difference to the life of one person, just one person, I think you should just go ahead and do it. We all leave this life for ourselves, for our friends and families. But I guess if you can do it for one other person apart from yourself, I think that should be more than it. That's the only message.
I agree. It's the same thing. I mean, there is nothing special, and be it any cause,
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be our cause. Anything what you think. The people who support, who love animals, people who want to do something for them. You can do. Just do it. ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि यार तुम लोग को यही एनजीओ के लिए करना है, वो पॉपुलर एनजीओ है तो उसके लिए करना है. I think everyone needs it. It might be not even an NGO. It could be just somebody who you would want to just help out. So, and there are so many
stop
platforms.
thinking and planning and execute it.
Yeah, and you can still be, I mean, cool also. So there's nothing which is going to be taken away. One thing is, one more which is important is, don't get stressed about कि यार ये लोग ये नहीं कर रहे हैं, इन लोग को ये करना चाहिए. We'll have to take things in our hands and say कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. So
Correct.
because you waste so much energy in just thinking अरे यार ये ऐसा करना चाहिए था, अरे इन लोग को help क्यों नहीं कर रहा है कोई. आप अपने लेवल पे करो. It doesn't matter, and the thought matters. And trust us, people are very kind. Okay, sometimes what you see in the news and you feel कि अरे no, दुनिया कैसा हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में, दुनिया उतनी ही खूबसूरत है, लोग उतनी ही अच्छे हैं.
Yes.
So don't lose that thing or worry कि यार नहीं यार सब बुरा हो रहा है. नहीं यार, we've seen that, you know, like Facebook के मेरे immediate अगर दोस्त नहीं आए तो मेरे कहाँ के जो दोस्त हैं वो लोग ने आके हम लोग को help किया है. So
Okay.
you never know, you know, help can come in what form and from where. But you know, believe
Correct.
that, you know, world is beautiful place and you can, you know, do a lot for everyone. So
Correct. Correct. But it's like when we start doing something good, everything will start falling in place. अपने आप.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
exactly. And we it's a magic, and you
Yeah.
know now we believe in that magic.
True. So that's the whole purpose of this Energizers talks, actually, to spread positivity and
My
tell
goodness, I
people.
mean, it is like a
about
thing you have to have every day. You know, Energizer के वो posts देख के, I mean, you know, it is refreshing, yeah, कि
It is
चलो कुछ
refreshing.
thought आ गया, अरे stress चल रहा है यहाँ पे, अरे कुछ तो आया, ये कि अरे photo डालो, क्या
हाँ.
It is so much fun, and I think, you know, that is what is keeping people, you know, more
Yes.
attached, more lively. और ऐसा contest नहीं हो, बाप रे अभी बहुत कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा. You know, it is just fun. You feel like a family, right?
like करो contest
हाँ,
है.
हाँ. Yeah,
No.
yeah, I think that's a good part. I mean,
Yes.
you guys are technically helping so many people take that burden off, take that stress off. People feel कि अरे क्या तुम लोग सोच में टाइम पास कर रहे हो, but then technically you spend 5 minutes and you feel little relaxed कि यार,
True.
you know, कुछ
So
तो
let all of us thank the Energizers
yeah, absolutely,
for
absolutely.
doing such
Ma'am,
amazing events, even
actually,
virtually. And this is my personal experience also.
Yeah.
Planning से लेके execution तक
Oh,
इतना well organized होता है everything.
and team का energy, my God, hyper energy. So, yeah, which is needed, which is so needed.
Yes. So I think we have covered almost everything in the talk show today, right? If anything extra you would like to share, anything more you would like to share with the viewers, or I think we are done with today's show, and hope everyone enjoyed. सबने हमें देखा है, and you
Yeah.
will definitely get in touch, I'm sure, to know more about it, right? So here's saying tata bye bye.
Thank you,
Ankit and
thank you
Girish,
so much. Thank you so
thank
much.
you,
Amazing.
thank you, Jigna, for having us. And to be honest, you made us really comfortable. It didn't feel
Yeah.
like a question answer session. It felt like a very informal sort of
Friendly
this
chat,
thing.
Yes,
So
that
thank you
was
for
the whole
making us
idea.
comfortable.
It should not be too formal, and थोड़ा fun होना चाहिए,
Yeah.
right? वो NGO वाला feeling नहीं होना चाहिए.
नहीं, आप एक काफी सीरियस मुद्दे को आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह में प्रेजेंट किया. So thank you, Jigna.
Thank you so much. It was amazing, and let me also promise one thing: my one dance session and my craft session with all the kids
Oh, excellent.
Awesome.
is going to be there. Maybe after COVID, or I can do online also, as you all wish, right?
Awesome. That will be nice. I think Manish is saying something. Okay.
Yeah. So, Manish, we can sign